Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Living in Coastal Alabama. Spring is here, and you know what that means. It's time for spring cleaning, but today we're not just talking about scrubbing the floors and organizing closets. We're diving into spring cleaning hacks with a real estate twist. So whether you're a homeowner looking to sell your property and getting it prepared to do that, or a buyer who's wanting to spruce up their new space, or just someone wanting to boost their home's value, these tips will help you shine.
Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in coastal Alabama, then be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time we release a new video. My name is Rita Sessions, along with
Kayla Robinson. We're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty, making your coastal living dreams a reality. Did you know that a clean and well-maintained home can significantly impact the market value? A little effort can make a big difference, whether you're selling or staying. So let's get started.
We get calls each day from people just like you wanting to move to coastal Alabama. So whether you're moving in 6 months or 1 year, reach out to Kayla and I and let's start looking for that perfect property for you. Our contact information is in the description box below. So shoot us a text, send us an email, or just give us a call. And let's make those coastal living dreams a reality. So first impressions matter. So let's start with that curb appeal. So clean up your yard, trim your bushes, freshen up your plants, even if you have to do artificial. Now, you want to power wash those driveways and sidewalks so your home will have that shine from the curb for that perfect first impression. So declutter like a pro. Potential buyers and even your guests enjoy a clean, decluttered home. So as you're doing your spring cleaning, make you some boxes with labels on it that are for donations, to keep, and to trash. So if you have trouble deciding what to keep or throw away, call in a friend.
I can absolutely help you with this one. It's going in the trash. Roll Tide. Next, we're going to deep clean those high traffic areas. And we really want to focus on the bathrooms. And if you'll stick around to the end, Rita's going to show you how to display all those extra rolls of toilet paper to make them cute and appealing. We're going to focus on the kitchen, and these areas are deal breaker areas for buyers. So you really want to make sure that you clean your appliances inside and out. You scrub your grout really well, and that you make sure every surface sparkles. And we also want to make sure that we actually touch up those walls and around those light switches, because to be honest, that's usually where you get most of your grime. And when you have little kids like me, there's always fingerprints, especially on these white walls. So you want to make sure that you take that time to get those extra scuff marks off and fingerprint. But we also want to make sure that we keep our windows nice and shiny. So you want to make sure that you are focusing on cleaning your windows, because there's nothing more appealing than a window that you can actually see through. And if you have windows like these, you just pop them down and you can actually clean the inside and outside and save yourself some time and get it all done at one time. And I love these windows just because it's so simple to make sure that we're getting them nice and clean, and it's a big time saver. And just like that, we're done.
Banish Orders by lighting candles or using natural oils like lavender and citrus to make your home smell fresh. The neutral scents will make it more appealing to the buyers and your guests as they come in. Additional touches can help make your home more appealing. So rearranging your furniture to accent the walkable flow through a room, adding accent pillows to your furniture, or even adding some drapery to add more color will help. So now I'm going to show you how to take this plain white roll of toilet paper and make it pretty to display in your bathroom. You take a paper napkin, you lay the toilet paper here, and you just simply roll it up and start tucking it in. And as you roll it, you tuck, and then you just tuck it in the centers on each side, and you have a nice, pretty roll of toilet paper to display behind your toilet.
I really hope that you've enjoyed our video today. Each and every week, we're going to be posting videos like this one. So if you're ready to take on spring cleaning and make your home fresh for the market, let me know in the comments what was your favorite hack, or share one of your very own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you know when our next video drops. Reach out and contact Rita and I when you are ready to sell your home here in coastal Alabama, or if you're ready to purchase a new home here in coastal Alabama. We would love to help make your coastal living dreams a reality. See you next time.